Hi, my name is Cynthia Trujillo, and we're going to do a presentation on BIM in construction and how it affects, how it relates, and how we use it. So a quick outline of the presentation that we're going to go through is we're going to go through an introduction on what BIM is, some of the equipment that's related, the cost of BIM in projects or in construction, how it helps in safety, the BIM usage in the state of Texas, which is where we currently are located. A quick summary and conclusion to wrap everything up, some references, and then we'll do a little bit of test your knowledge. So a quick introduction to BIM. It stands for Building Information Modeling. It's just a digital representation of the physical and functional characteristics of a facility. It's used through design, construction, and operation phases of a project, and it improves collaboration, reduces errors, and it enhances project outcomes by creating shared knowledge for the decision making. And I'm pretty sure most of us are familiar with BIM as we have taken Architecture Design 1 and 2, and our professors give us a quick introduction as to what BIM is. So some of the equipment that's related to BIM or that is being used is 3D laser scanning. Well, first we'll go through the hardware and then some of the software that's being used. So for the hardware, we have 3D laser scanners which capture accurate site dimensions and topography. Then drones, which most of us know what they are, provide aerial imaging and real-time construction monitoring. And lastly, VR and AR headsets that allow immersive walkthroughs and better spatial understandings. As for the software, some of the software that's used is Autodesk, Revit, Navisworks, Tekla Structures, and Bentley Systems. And I'm sure that most of us are familiar with at least one of these softwares. So some of the costs is they can have various costs, but they can have initial and long term. As for initial, the software licenses can be expensive. They do require investments in high performance computers and training personnel, which is highly important to be able to manage this, as well as transitions from traditional methods that can involve temporary productivity loss. As for long term savings, it reduces the rework and change orders due to early clash detection. It's faster project delivery due to better coordination. It improves the cost estimates and budgeting accuracy. Enhances building lifecycle management, leading to lower maintenance costs. So, in the beginning, it might seem rather expensive, but in the long haul, it's a really good investment to have because it can prevent and make your project way more efficient and um, not have as many delays or things that stand in the way. As for safety, how does BIM help in safety? You might be asking. It improves site safety through early hazard identification and simulation of construction. The digital planning reduces unexpected site conditions and unplanned equipment conflicts. Safety training can be enhanced with 4D BIM, which is a time-based simulation, and the integration with LOT sensors and wearable tech allows real-time monitoring of site conditions and site work and worker safety. So again, in the long run, it BIM can be helpful and more efficient, even in the safety aspect of a project. So how is BIM involved in Texas? So TxDOT actually uses BIM for planning, designing, and the asset management of bridges and highways. Several private projects, public and private projects, including university buildings and hospitals, use BIM for better quality control. Major firms in Texas like Austin Commercial and Turner Construction leverage BIM in both vertical and horizontal construction. And some of the cities, such as the city of Houston and Dallas, have also adopted BIM or BIM, for municipal infrastructure development and smart city initiatives. So just to wrap everything up, a quick summary is that BIM is a transformative tool in construction, offering a collaborative and intelligent model for all stakeholders. It enhances visualization, coordination, safety, and decision making. Um, that despite the high startup cost, BIM delivers a significant value throughout the building life cycle. And just Texas continues to be a growing hub for BIM driven innovation and infrastructure and construction. And we're just going to see a quick increase throughout the years of how BIM is going to continue being used and implemented in construction. And then I just added some of my references of where I got all my information if you would like to check that out. And then we're going to do a quick testing your knowledge. I didn't take off the answers, so just a quick informative test your knowledge. So, what does BIM stand for? Of course, we just went through it. So, it's Building Information Modeling. Name one major BIM software tool. The answer is right there. Autodesk Revit. And then lastly, how does BIM improve safety on construction sites? And the answer I chose was by simulating construction sequences and identifying hazards before construction begins. But there's a various amount of answers that one could have given. And then thank you so much, and reach out if you have any questions.